Here's the Gunnera leaf in action, and we've got the 3 different water sounds that you requested. Here you can hear the dripping and a nice echoey sound, and then I'll just get you a better view of the leaf. Hope you can see the water dripping off of here. And at the bottom pool there, it's full of the sphagnum moss we're using for the living wall at the moment, which is soaking to bring it back to life. Then as we turn the corner, you start to hear the flowing water sound, which is the second sound you wanted, on the middle weir. And then we come up the stairs here, and then we get that third sound that you wanted, which was water flowing over rocks. And you get that sound right here. So we've got 3 distinct water sounds. The stonework and all of that on the fountains isn't quite finished, because I had to get the leaf set in place first. So we'll be finishing that next week and doing the kitchen countertop. There's a side view of the leaf with the water streaming over it. And putting in the kitchen countertop and finishing the living wall on Monday. Then we're out of here for a week while the painters get in. And then Monday week we will start to do the planting. Well, most of the plants, bar about 3 species, are in. So everything's on schedule, and here's the guys here working on the living wall. All the sphagnum moss is going in. That'll be ready for planting also by next week.